Goldman Sachs throws in the towel, slashes S&P price target to 3,600, warns of a recession crash to 3,150. Yo, what is going on, guys? Lottery Stocks here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you're new. Today we are going to be going over, will the stock market crash this week? Should you play puts, this, that, and the third? Nothing I say is financial advice. Without further ado, smash the like, hit that subscribe. Let's get into the video. Also, guys, real quick, we are about to hit 1 million views on the channel. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Drop a comment. Let's get into it. Costin launched a trial balloon telling clients that even as he still has a 4,300 year-end price target on the S&P, he saw the broad index tumbling as low as 2,900 in a recession. His 2022 year-end forecast was 5,100 set last November. Just slashed his year-end S&P target from 4,300 to a whopping 3,600. This is not just almost 20% lower, but is below the market's current price. Now, guys, if you take a look over here on Fintel at Goldman Sachs portfolio, you'll see their top decrease this quarter is in the S&P 500. And also, if you take a look at the put volume on the S&P, this is as high as it's been, hitting almost 35 million contracts. You pop over here on Market Chameleon, you will see that the implied volatility is decently up there, and the call to put volume is 38% to 62%. Overall, nobody is bullish on the S&P 500, but let me give you some context. Okay, so the S&P is nearing recent lows, relative lows that we hit before, so make sure to watch for a bounce on 363. If you break under that, it's going to be game over for a bit. However, I don't think you're going to break over that right away. Now, if you take a look at what we have overlaid, this is the market from 2008, and it's tracking perfectly well, and if this continues to track, you should see a bit of a bounce before actually seeing a sell-off come in the near future. Now, nothing has to play out exact, right? History doesn't always repeat, but does often rhyme. However, if you take a look at the RSI as well, this is hitting bottom. As soon as the RSI hit bottom on the S&P, every single time you saw a bounce. Take a look, you hit one right here, and you saw the S&P 500 bounce. Right here, slight bounce. Here, slight bounce. And finally, you're hitting it again. I would watch for a rejection on 390 on the S&P 500, as this is the 236 on the fib. I don't think we're breaking back over that before seeing new lows. My overall outlook is that we get some sort of a slight bounce this week before actually seeing the S&P 500 create new lows. A slow relief, choppy relief bounce. In my opinion, I could be definitely wrong. This thing could just bleed to the downside right away. Again, that is why this isn't financial advice and I am just a YouTuber. However, if we break below 363, there's not many more levels that could save us for quite a bit. This would bring the SPY all the way down to 350, which is the price target I was looking at months ago for the SPY, and then eventually 322 and then 300 flat, depending on the type of crash that we get. Overall, if you just look at the SPY on the weekly time frame, this is the '08 crash, this is the COVID crash, and this is where we are now. This looks like we are barreling to the downside. They've been trying to save it, right? A slow chop to the downside. However, at some point, this has to make a fast breakdown or a flash crash down before actually getting a rally. So that is what I got for you guys today. Please consider smashing that like button, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment down below, and get your 10 free stocks linked in the description and pinned in the top comments. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.